Introduction to Ethical Hacking. Definition: ethical hacking is a legal and authorized practice of assessing computer systems, networks, and applications for vulnerabilities. Objective: the main goal is to identify and fix security weaknesses before malicious hackers can exploit them. Importance of ethical hacking. Cybersecurity concerns. With increasing cyber threats, ethical hacking plays a crucial role in safeguarding digital assets. Data protection. It helps organizations protect sensitive data from potential breaches and unauthorized access. Roles and responsibilities. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, they are skilled professionals who perform authorized hacking to strengthen security. Permission and legal boundaries. Ethical hackers must obtain permission from the system owners and work within legal boundaries. Ethical hacking methodology. Reconnaissance. Gathering information about the target system or network. Vulnerability analysis. Identifying potential weaknesses and security flaws. Exploitation. Simulating attacks to confirm vulnerabilities. Post-exploitation. Assessing the impact and suggesting countermeasures. Types of ethical hacking. Web application security. Assessing security of websites and web applications. Network security. Identifying weaknesses in network infrastructure. Social engineering. Evaluating human vulnerabilities and user awareness. Wireless security. Testing wireless networks for potential threats. Ethical hacking tools. Nmap. Network scanning and port discovery tool. Metasploit. Exploitation framework for penetration testing. Wireshark. Packet analyzer for monitoring network traffic. Burp Suite. Web vulnerability scanner and proxy. Ethical hacking certifications. Certified Ethical Hacker, CHE, a popular certification for ethical hackers. Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP. Hands-on certification for penetration testers. Real-world examples. Ethical hacking success stories that prevented major cyber attacks. How ethical hackers helped secure organizations and public systems. Challenges in ethics. Balancing privacy. Respecting user privacy while conducting assessments. Responsible disclosure. Reporting vulnerabilities to the system owner before making them public. Conclusion. Recap the importance of ethical hacking in cybersecurity. Encourage viewers to explore ethical hacking as a career path or for personal knowledge. Remember to present these points in an engaging manner with visuals, examples, and practical demonstrations to keep your audience interested and informed. Happy filming!